We call Earth the blue marble, but that name suggests a beautiful, passive sphere. The reality is far more dynamic. The ocean is not a still reservoir. It's the planet's massive, churning flywheel, a heat engine that shapes our climate and makes life possible. So what drives this engine? While wind pushes surface waves, the ocean's true power comes from deep below, driven by a simple force: density. It's a process called thermohaline circulation. Thermo for temperature, haline for salt. Near the poles, frigid, salty water becomes incredibly dense. It's heavier than the water around it, so it sinks, plunging into the abyss. This sinking acts like a starting pistol for a journey that spans the entire globe and takes 1,000 years to complete. This great global conveyor belt is a slow-motion river flowing through the deep ocean. It carries warmth from the tropics towards the poles, preventing places like Europe from plunging into a far deeper freeze. But this circulation isn't just about heat. As winds push surface water away from coastlines, that deep, cold water rises to take its place. This process, called upwelling, brings a treasure trove of nutrients from the dark seafloor back to the sunlit surface. These nutrients are the essential fertilizer for marine life. They ignite blooms of phytoplankton, creating the pastures of the sea. These microscopic pastures form the base of the entire marine food web, supporting everything from tiny krill to massive whales, and sustaining the fisheries that feed billions. From the cold, dark depths to the sunlit surface, the ocean is a single connected system, a moving, breathing part of our planet's life support.